because I'm just not perfect, and that's fine too. But I just gotta let y'all know sometimes I fuck up too. Hey guys, it's your Rila. Y'all know the story. I'm out here exploring myself, exploring Brooklyn, exploring cooking, exploring events, and sharing all of my life with you all. I was on Facebook the other day, and Elliot Ashby was all like, what would it taste like to have Pumpernickel Pizza Pie crust? And I was just like, what would it taste like to have Pumpernickel Pizza Pie crust? I think that would be delicious with like a white sauce base, right? So I was thinking cream of mushroom soup, ricotta cheese, romano. I was like, oh, that's a little too salty. So like, still, I was gonna try two. I'm going to try two, but I had to tell you first what happened with this pizza pie crust.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep it cool when it's still alive.
I also took very long breaks between doing this because I was trying to film it and shoot at the same time. I'm sorry, assemble and shoot, and I think something happened. Well, actually, no, this is exactly what happened. I didn't have a 1/3 cup tablespoon, or a 2/3 cup tablespoon, and I needed 2/3 cup for the recipe. So I was like, okay, I'll just take the picture with 1/3 cup, make note of it as being 2. So it was a whole 1/3 cup less rye wheat in there than it needed to be. And then I caught myself, you know, like adding it after. And then because I realized I was supposed to mix all of the dry ingredients well and all of the wet ingredients well and then mix them together, that extra rye on top would not make a really good addition to the composition. I was right. It looked like shit. Like literally like shit. Yes, Pumpernickel Pizza. Oh my gosh, and I hear that pumpernickel and rye are the healthiest breads there are to eat. And it tastes like pumpernickel bread. Actually, a light rye pumpernickel bread. It's not overwhelmingly rye. It's not overwhelmingly flour. It's actually pretty straightforward pie crust. Pretty straightforward pie crust. I use pizza sauce for the sauce. It tastes like a grandma's slice. Look at the steam on that. So proud of myself. Alright guys, that's everyday PK cooking. Pumpernickel pizza pie crust, over and out. Success.